and then we
obwabire nagambaho aha prayer breakfast meeting ebire aha High Court omuri Boma oli senior resident judge Ime Vincent Mugabo agambire oku ekitongore ky'aramuzi kiriyo nikyeyongyera kugumirwa ahabwo kweyongyera kw'emanja ezari kugira ngu zimwe nizibasa n'okuhwera aheeru ya kooti.
Kugamba ngu mwija kwikaraho muri mu businge rundi baitu ensonga egyo bwekubeereho izireho ebaireho tugikole tuta twikare n'abantu aba batwine nabo ensonga turole ngo twamaliriza ensonga ezo nuko tuleke kwija mu kooti tukasiisa obwire tukasiisa sente tukabonabona naito nkaba judges aba chief magistrates n'aba magistrates abali naito sasa kuhandika judgments ezo.
Ati enkote nkuru omuri Fort Portal obwa hati eine emanja nyingi ezikwatirine n'emihondano y'omumaka emihondano y'amataka ahamwe na n'ezindi ekyari kugira ngu eki nikibaasa kuja kubatwarira emyaka okukoraho.
Do not take sides. They must be ethical. Number 3, they must do justice to the people. And this justice must be with righteousness. Our court users are looking for judicial officers who are impartial, who are ethical, and who will rightly and excellently dispense justice to the community.
Ab'ekitongore ekiramuzi batwire nibaronda emiringo endiijo ey'okubasa kukozesa kwenda kumaraho emishango nyamwingi eri omu kooti kandi etakakozirweho. Moses Nabende Mushebebe Chief Magistrate asimire enkora kugira ngo abantu bashemerire kumarira obutikirizingana bwabo aheru ya kooti kugira ngo kooti ebase kusigarana emanja ezibarabase kukoraho rero abantu bakatunga oburinganiza ombwire.
I really encourage you, let's reconcile, let's mediate, let's go plea bargain, You believe again where you committed it in a criminal way. Come and say, yes, I did so, but please give me a lenient sentence. We shall do that. So, for leaders who are here, take out the gospel. Beyond the cases, tell the public, we can plead again.
Bitogu ajumirire abantu habogumane bagambe bishuba bari kwetantara kugamba amazima ari kugira ngo abantu bine kufayo aha kusasirana na no kushaba okusasibwa kwenda ngo base kumaraho obutikirizingana omuringo ogwo businje.
But you want to put us on the test to decide who is right and who is wrong. But before us, as you stand, one of you knows is lying. I ask you to repent. Go home and solve your matters. Call your brother, call your sister, and say, I'm sorry.
Bishop owa Rwenzori Diocese Right Reverend Ruben Kisembo ashabire kwabaho amazima okukora emirimo omuri obuhikire kwenda ngu emanja zibase kucwibwa omuburinganiza.
Whatever you do, make sure you're honest and you have personal integrity. Ultimately, what will reward us, the good work we have done in earth. Those words, God be with you.
But even in the face of these challenges, let us remain committed to our duty to serve justice.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Justin Nyakaiseki aha wa Sky TV omuri Fort Portal.